Hi designers, in this video, we're going to create a simple and professional looking logo animation in After Effects. Let's dive right in. First, we need to import the logo file. When importing, make sure to select Composition, retain layer sizes and click Import. Once that's done, then double-click to open it. Now that the logo is visible, we need to scale it down a bit. Right-click on the logo layer, then choose Create, and select Create Shapes from Vector Layer. You'll notice a new shape layer has been created, and the original layer is hidden. Next, make sure to click on the 3D icon to turn this layer into a 3D object. In the 3D options, switch from Classic 3D to Cinema 4D. Now, head over to the Geometry options and increase the extrusion depth to give your logo some nice 3D thickness. Let's take the Rectangle tool and draw a square. Align it properly, then make this shape layer 3D. Position it below the logo layer and make it 3D as well. Now, select the logo layer, and then adjust the Y rotation to tilt it just a bit. Once you tilt it, you'll notice part of the logo will move behind the square. To bring it back in front, select the logo layer again and press P to reveal the position controls. Adjust the position so the logo sits in front of the square properly. Next, select the shape layer and parent it to the logo layer. This way, the two will move together. Now, select the logo layer again and press R for rotation. Click on the stopwatch next to X rotation to create a keyframe. Move 20 frames forward and add a new blank keyframe. Then, go back to the first frame and set the X rotation to -90 degrees. Now, let's preview the animation. Let's create a new light layer. Set the light type to parallel and press OK. You'll notice the light is now applied, and you can see the shadows being cast. Let's adjust the light settings to suit our design. Go to the parallel light options where you'll find various settings to customize. Under Transform, you'll see Point of Interest. You can adjust this to fit your design. You can also change the position of the light for a better effect. If you want more control, head over to the light options. Here, you'll find additional settings you can tweak as needed to get the desired look. And there you have it, your animation is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Design for more tutorials and tips.